most annoying part of this result is that it will make Ronaldo fans boast about the Saudi Pro League. Yes, I know that Al Hilal is good, but come on, against Real Madrid? No, now Real Madrid should have done better in that game. Al Ahly was just playing Real Madrid like Barcelona in the first half. Like, for if you ask me, from what I saw in that game, Al Ahly played better in the first half. Maybe in the second half, Real Madrid, yes, had opportunities to win the, but why should Real Madrid allow Al Ahly to be that good? Tomorrow night, you see Ronaldo fans saying that this is why Cristiano Ronaldo have not won a trophy. Al Hilal is very, very good. The Saudi Pro League is very, very good. Come on, it's very good compared to Real Madrid. I don't know what is wrong with Real Madrid though. You guys have not still survived what we did to you guys in the La Liga. Now, come on, Al Hilal. Al Hilal is playing 1-1 draw with Real Madrid. Real Madrid maybe say most some people they feel say like them go even win this trophy. Now you see Cristiano Ronaldo fans, especially those ones now wey dey type well, when those sabi speak English, go come out dey talk say you see why Cristiano Ronaldo is still the GOAT. He is playing against Al Hilal. Now Real Madrid cannot be Al Hilal. Now Real Madrid, I don't understand you now. I don't understand you now. Xabi Alonso, I pity you because this will now make you have a lot of pressure. But still, the good part of it is that Real Madrid did not win, and I hope that they will continue with this poor performance and not go far in the World Club Cup.